Hello, MPS. It's your girl, Renice Washington, aka Wellness Queen. And this week, we're keeping it short and sweet by just kind of getting into what next month's theme is going to be, right? October. And that's going to be our EAP support. So let's get into it. Alrighty, so before we kind of do a quick preview of what next month looks like, I really just want to extend my biggest and most warm thank you to everybody. The beginning of the school year has been running smoothly. Doesn't mean that there haven't been some hiccups, doesn't mean that there hasn't been some need for support, but what it does mean is that everyone's showing up and supporting our youngsters, which is the most important part, right? So first of all, thank you. Getting into what next month looks like, we just did mental health support for the beginning of the school year, but in October, we are really going to take a look at our EAP, which is SpringHealth, right? Breaking down different segments of the website, as well as different ways to utilize the service, right? First one being, what are some different types of informal supports that are offered from our EAP, as well as some that are offered in the district, right? So just keeping it simple on informal supports. Week 2, we are definitely getting into the components of our EAP, right? And so that may look like the different sections that staff can utilize. That also goes into some of the logistics of what our EAP entails. And then lastly, going into the different district-wide support systems, but also talking about and trying to brainstorm, what are some things that we need? And do we have anyone internally who would like to support those things, right? Talking about those of you who maybe do Zumba or yoga or things like that. So next month is jam-packed, and baby, we're gonna get into it. But for now, take a deep breath, check in with yourself, and make sure that you are well aware of your needs as we get into next month's theme of EAP, okay? Have a fantastic rest of the week.